Hi guys, as you can see, I'm going to be doing my toenails in this video. And it is not easy for me to do my toenails because I hate bending over to do them. But I'm going to be doing like the Après method of press-on toenails or something like that. But they're not stored, they're just the clear toenails, and I'll be painting them. And right now, I'm just buffing my natural toenail. I did leave the toenails on some of my toes that I've already done. I'm only replacing a few of them, so that there's the toenails. You can see how I do my toes. So now I'm going to shape the toenail before I put it on my toe. And these things are so hard. It's so hard for me to do that. Right now I don't have any nails on, so it's a little bit easier for me to do the toenails, but it's still a struggle. The struggle is real, guys. The struggle is real. And I'm using the Nail Couture base gel. That's my favorite. That's what I use all the time for my nails and for my toenails. And as you can see, I put the lamp there so that I can cure the toenail with my lamp. I bought that lamp specifically for my toes. And there we go. I'm not going to talk throughout this whole video. I may come back in and talk a little bit, but as you can see, I'm applying the base gel. It's pretty self-explanatory. Anyone has any questions about anything, you can put them down in the comment section below the video. All right, let's go.